Okay, here we go. Same as yesterday. We have one binomial. We do have a proportion because it's set equal to each other. So this fraction is equal to this fraction. Therefore, we can take the numerator of the one side and the denominator of the other side and multiply them together and set it equal to the other denominator and numerator. So I always like to take the variable first. So I'll take the 6 and m plus 5. Can you do m plus 5 and then put the 6? Yes, you can. It just looks prettier this way. It's just usually how we see it. Clearly you can see, and that's why I like to circle them, because I circle the numbers and don't make a mistake and grab the wrong number. You can clearly see 5 times 8. All right, next up, then we just hit all of our 5 main steps. Distribute. There's a 1 in front of there, so 6 times 1 is 6, and you add the m's, there's just 1 m. 6 times 5 is 30. 5 times 8 is 40. First step. Can I combine like terms? No. Is there an extra variable over here? No, there isn't. We can skip that step. So we skip steps 2 and 3. We're looking at step 4. Is there something added or subtracted to the m? And we see clearly m plus 30. So we're going to subtract 30 from both sides of the equation. Our 30's over here are 0 or gone. And 40 minus 30 is 10. And then we get rid of what is multiplied or divided to the m, and it's 6 times m here because they're connected. So the opposite of times is divide. Our 6's are gone. We're left with m. And 10 divided by 6 is going to just reduce to 5 over 3. Yes? 5 over 3. Your calculators here will do it. If you did that with your calculator at home, you don't have a fraction calculator, there's going to be a decimal 1 point something. Okay. Number 2. These are easy. I'm going to go through these pretty quick. Everybody seemed to do a good job yesterday. So once again, I'm going to go across to the variable, the denominator to the numerator. Take the 3, multiply that to the binomial, m minus 6. Because these are equal, I need to set it equal to 6 over 4. Or 6 times 4. Sorry, not 6 over 4, 6 times 4. Put the circles around it. Makes it clear to see the 6 and the 4. You won't make a mistake and grab the wrong number. I think somebody did that on one I was checking. But just once, so it was okay. All right, our steps. Distribute. 3 times 1, 3. Add the m's, just 1 m. 3 times negative 6, negative 18. Equals, and 6 times 4, 24. There is no combined like terms. There is no extra variable. Therefore, we're going to get rid of what's added or subtracted. That's the 18. You got m minus 18. These are nice and set up. That's why I set them up this way, that you can clearly see them. All right, so we have, we're going to add 18. We'll do its opposite operation. Our 18s are gone. We have 3m equals, and 24 plus 18, what do we got there? 42. 42. Thank you. And our final step, get rid of what's multiplied or divided, and it happens to be multiplication, 3 times m. So we're going to divide. That's the opposite operation, divide. Our m's are gone. Or I'm sorry, our 3's are gone. We're left with the m. And 42 over 3 will reduce, or it goes into it. So what is it? 14. Very good. Thank you. 14. Did I get it all on there? Good. Ignore that. Yep, 14. By the way, how did I know 3 goes into 42? I added the 2 together, 4 and 2. That equals 6. And 3 goes into 6, so I know 3 goes into 42 evenly. A little tidbit of information there for you. Memorize that. It helps. All right, number 3. Once again, find my variable, go to the other side and go up or down, whichever. The opposite of it. So I'm down here, I go up here. Numerator to denominator. 5 times k plus 10. We set it equal because these fractions are equal, and 8 times 7. Oops. All right. 5 times 1, 5. Add the k's, just 1. 5 times 10, 50. 8 times 7, 56. We're going to There's no combined like terms. These two are not like terms, by the way. This has a K, that doesn't. No extra variable. There's no variable over here. And we're going to do the add subtract. So since we have 50, we're adding 50, we're going to subtract 50. Opposite operation. Those two are gone, so then we have 5K left. And we'll do 56. 56 minus 50 is just 6. And this one is pretty much done as it sits. We're going to divide by 5. It's our last step. Our 5s are gone. We have K equals 6 over 5. That won't reduce. It doesn't go into it evenly. Everybody have that? Everybody understand that? Anybody need extra? I mean, we're going to do 4, but let me know if you're not getting it. I think everybody did really well on this yesterday, so I don't think we need to. We'll just do the video for the video's sake. Find my variable. It's in the denominator or numerator, so I'm going to go down to the other side to the denominator, numerator to denominator. Set those to each other to multiply, and it'll be 7 times a minus 7. We make sure that we set them equal to each other, and we do the opposite end here. 2 and 9, 2 times 9. I'm telling you, it's going to help to put those circles in the line around. It doesn't take much more to do it. And you can clearly see it, you won't make a mistake. 7 times 1, 7, and 1a to add. 7 times negative 7, negative 49. And 2 times 9, 18. No combined like terms. No extra variable. What's added or subtracted? We do have minus 49, so we're going to add 49 in opposite operation. Cross those off. We're going to end up with 7a left over. And 18 and 49, 67? 67. And as far as I can tell here, 67 and 7 don't have a common factor, correct? So it's just 67 over 7? 67 over 7. Whoops, there we go. 67 over 7. At home, again, you might have the decimal, and that's fine. It's on your answer sheet. I will tell you this, sometimes I make a mistake on, because I had to convert these to fractions, so you had the fractions on there, and some of them, I found a couple errors in there. So don't get overly frustrated if one doesn't, if I miss a negative or I accidentally put 78 instead of 72 or something like that. So there you go. If you have any questions, email me and I will help you out. We'll get on Google Meet. Bye.